Changing your country on YouTube is a simple but useful setting, especially if you've moved to a new place or want to see content that better matches another region. YouTube uses your selected country to recommend videos, trending content, and even some music or news that are popular in that specific location. To start, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Once you're inside, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon, usually labeled as You. This will take you to your account page where all personal settings are stored. Next, find the settings option by tapping the small gear icon in the top right corner. Inside the settings menu, you will see several options related to your account, notifications, and general preferences. Tap on General to continue. Scroll through the General section until you find the Location option. This is where YouTube allows you to choose your country or region. When you tap on it, a list of available countries will appear. Now simply scroll through the list and select the country you want. For example, if you have recently moved or are planning to move to the United States, you can select United States from the list. After selecting it, YouTube will automatically save the change without needing extra confirmation. Once this is done, your homepage, recommended videos, and trending section will start updating based on your new location. It may take a little time for changes to fully reflect, but soon your YouTube experience will feel more personalized to your chosen country.